Hello and welcome to the channel. In the series of pronunciation, we have some more important words. This is injury. So let me take a different color to show the phonetic transcription of this word. Injury will be pronounced like this. And this will be a j sound. Injury. And when it becomes this word, there will be a slight change in the pronunciation, and it will be not injurious, it will be injurious. Injury and injurious. Then jewelry. Injury, injurious, jewelry. Bow. Ow sound. Ow. Vowel glide or a diphthong will be included in this. Bow. Compass. A sound. This sound. Compass will be pronounced like this. Compass. So start from here. This word will be pronounced as injury. This is a J sound. In-j-a-r-e. Injury. Injurious. Jewelry. Bow. And compass. See, there is a slight variation in this thing. Injurious. Injury and jewelry. It's this sound, jewelry, the long O. Jewelry, injury and jewelry. So let's take some more important words. Thorough will be pronounced like thorough. This will be the actual sound. Thorough, and thoroughly will be pronounced thoroughly. This is canoe, the long oo sound. Canoe is a type of a small boat. It's not plumber, it's plumber. And this is deaf. So revise from here. Thoroughly, canoe, plumber, and deaf.